something down there.
Did you see that? That horrible little thing came squirting out of the trapdoor. Come here!
Find out, Drat.
Shush! Shush, little birdie!
Put him upstairs, he's fast asleep and he'll go spare if you wake him.
No. Stop that noise!
Oh, Globbits. It's all right. Still asleep.
Won't happen again, oh wondrous and immensely wobbly one!
You all right, Boney?
Right, you elongated baked bean, where are you?
I know you're here somewhere.
Where'd he go? Come back here! Oh no, it's gone upstairs. You behave yourself up here, Drat. Now where'd that
Horrible.
little thing go? Oh no, he's gone in the cupboard.
You come out of there, you little breeze. Take me half a lifetime to tidy up in here, and if you come here. Oh, look. Oh, my weevils are falling in me sludge. Hey, mind me utensils. My word, I never pickled a flying gherkin, but it's always the first time. Creative cookery, that's what I'm into, and I'm going to create a little cookery.
It's been and gone into his bedroom. Dear. Trut, come here. You go in and get him while I stand guard out here. All right?
No.
Oh, well. It's in here somewhere. Gotta be careful, though. Don't want to wake up Freddy. No! Here we go.
Ah, there it is!
Close your three eyes, get upstairs, go to sleep, my old love.
Lovely. Oh, sorry, Drat. I thought you were that little thing. Ah, there you are. Well, you're going back down that trapdoor, you little grot. Now, are you going to come quietly, or am I going to be obliged? Oh!
Hello, who is that? It's me, sir. Berk, sir. Is it you? Faithful Berk. What are you doing all in my boudoir? Cody, like blue.